Hello, thanks for dropping in. So I was going to check out some Vic-20s, and I'm going to. But this first is a box of cables that came with it. This appears to be a 5-pin video cable. Oh, but it is a 5-pin video cable, but it has very different plugs. I've never seen one of these. Maybe they had some exotic hookup. And this plug feels a little strange. Well, I don't really have a way to connect that up, but it is interesting. And as we cable collectors know, it's always a good day when you end up with a cable. Ugh. Now what is this? Oh. Well, this is a bunch of wires that have no ends, and yeah, well, one of them, the blue one, runs through. It has an alligator clip. Ow, but it's got something sharp on it. Oh, the wire. I think that is what we affectionately refer to as scrap. Or crap, as the case may be. Yeah. So inside this, inside, what do we got? It's the power supply. Oh, other cords are hanging on. Oh. Okay, everything is kind of jumbled. This is an RF modulator for a Vic-20 because they didn't have them in them. This is an original cable that came with the switch box, but its end is ripped off, so that's scrap. What's this? Oh. This looks like an RF. Oh, it's a Nintendo AF switch. Huh. So this too would have been used to connect a game, a Nintendo thing, to an RF TV, I believe. You never know. Oh, here's the switch box, but it looks badly damaged and mangled on this end. It does, and some rusty. You know, as much as I try not to do this, scrap. Here is another power supply that looks like it would be for a Vic-20 or a 64. And here is an early power supply with just the 2 prongs. There's a box. And here is a similar power supply. Could be for a Vic-20. Could be for 64. Alright, so this stuff I'm going to toss back in the box, and it's scrap. I suppose if I had more things on the go, I would do something, or try and resurrect something, or do something, or keep the wire, heavens, but it's scrap. These are looking kind of ugly and dirty. This one, oh, 1983, 1983. I don't know. Anyway, they look like they've been sitting in a garage or an attic for a very long time. I'm not going to try them at this moment. I'll set them carefully over here. What I might do later is plug them in and leave them for a while and see if they burst into flames, or get hot really got to get some things available so I can better check the voltages on such things before I go plugging them into something. I do need to. So, I have some scrap, I have some cables that may or may not be helpful, and I have 3 power supplies. But now it is time. Well, almost. In the next episode, I will bring forth the Vic-20s. And we'll see what's what. Maybe they live, maybe they die, maybe they're dead, maybe they'll be for parts. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to take this box out and away. Although, see, it's a nice strong box. Maybe I'll use that for something. But the cables, they're toast. So, alright, stay tuned. The next episode, the Vic-20s will come. And then we'll see, was this drive worth it? I don't know. Anyway, thanks for being here for this box exploration. Until we meet again, which will be soon. Bye for now.